being nominated or voted as the Teacher of the Year, it's really kind of overwhelming because of the fact that there's so many other candidates out there that I feel like would be more than worthy. I'm honored that my co-workers and the students there sought to have me, and I do my best to represent them well.
I mean, what do you say about Mr. Overstreet? He's probably the most well-liked individual on our campus, not just from faculty, but students as well. He has an extremely popular program, always willing to lend a hand. He's the first one to volunteer for things, a man of very high character, lots of moral fiber, man of faith, kind of person you absolutely want in a school.
I've been in education now for going on 18 years. My inspiration for education was really, it was more of a calling. My welding instructor at that time was retiring that I had when I was in school, and they asked him, they said, out of all the students that you'd ever had, who would you recommend? And he recommended me. Out of 20 years of teaching, he recommended me. To me, it's more than a job. I love what I do, and whether they're my kids or not my kids, I'm going to do my best to encourage them.